Hi everyone, so I'm just showing off the first project from our Arduino Starter Kit, which is just really creating a circuit, which includes a little button switch, which you can see right there. We have our red wire, which connects us to our 5-volt power, if you can see that there. And then our black wire, which is acting as our ground to ground the power. We have our LED light, our switch. I'm sorry, the camera's bad. I am not a perfect person at camera, but we have up here, this little guy right here, that is a resistor. And it is identified by the little colors that are on it about which one it is. Specifically for this circuit, we needed a 220 OHM resistor in order to connect power to one side of the switch. Now, the fun thing with this one is when you hit the button, it turns the light on, which is really cool. The nice thing also about this project is that all it does is require power from your computer. There's no coding. All it does is provide power so that the circuit can be completed and turn that LED switch light on, which is really cool. Alright, so this is project number 2. This is creating a series circuit. The first one was just a regular circuit. In this case, it is a series. So, the only difference here is that we have 2 buttons now instead of just one. You see the little red marker is the line that's connecting both of those switches to, and then the green is connecting the switch to the LED light. When you press just one, it does not turn it on, either one. You have to press both together to get the LED to light. That's because when only one of these is pressed, the circuit is not closed. In order to fully close the circuit, you have to press both of the buttons. You'll see on the LED there that I have one leg bent. That is denoted as the long leg. And then the short leg, which I know what the differences are between the cathode and the anode. At this point in time, I believe the long leg is the cathode, I believe. But yeah, it's really cool. Computer, all it does is provide power. There is no actual coding. It's just power to control the circuit. And to open and close the circuit, you just do that, which is cool. And here is our last project, the parallel circuit. So, again, very similar to the ones before. We have our 2 switches. The only thing that's really different is what's going on right here. So, we have our dark blue wire and our green wire. And then our white wire over here allows for the circuit to be closed no matter what button you press. So it moves through so that you don't have to use both like last time. You can, because they both still close the circuit, but now they both individually do, which is really cool. So you can take a look at that. And again, computer's just being used for power, and that's about it. This one was the most tricky just because getting your hands to get in there and the number of wires and making sure things begin and end where they're supposed to is the important part. You'll see that that white wire is a little bent up, but that was really the most tricky part. But they both cause the LED to light up a nice pretty blue. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.